The helicopter settles onto a frozen plain, its blades fading into the Arctic wind. Around you stretches a landscape that feels unfinished. This is Iceland, perched at the edge of the Arctic Circle. At first glance, it appears cold, silent, and still. But beneath your boots, the planet is tearing itself apart. This is an Arctic adventure into a land where volcanoes are born, where eruptions rise from invisible depths. To understand Iceland, we must journey far below the frozen surface. The Earth is layered like a living engine. At its heart lies the core, hotter than the surface of the sun. Most of the Arctic is geologically calm. Iceland is not. Here, the North American plate and the Eurasian plate are pulling apart, a colossal volcanic mountain chain snaking across the ocean floor. Yet, this slow motion opens deep fractures in the crust, creating pathways for molten rock to rise. Beneath Iceland lies something even more powerful than moving plates. Deep in the mantle, a plume of superheated material rises. As the plates pull apart above it, pressure drops and rock melts into magma. Iceland is the only place on Earth where a major mantle plume and a mid-ocean ridge meet on land. This is why volcanoes here are so frequent, so powerful. Magma does not rush to the surface. It waits. It gathers in underground reservoirs, magma chambers. The crust begins to fracture. Earthquakes ripple through the land, Iceland's warning signs. Lava rivers advance slowly, unstoppable, reshaping valleys and plains. These eruptions build vast lava fields, create new land, and sometimes even extend the coastline into the cold North Atlantic. Yet some of the most important eruptions never fully reach the surface. An internal eruption occurs when magma intrudes into the crust but stalls underground. Instead of erupting, it moves sideways, forming long vertical sheets called dikes. These hidden intrusions fracture rock, trigger earthquake swarms, and reshape the land without a single drop of lava breaking through. Internal eruptions are silent architects. They weaken the crust, guide future eruptions, and shape Iceland from within. Nowhere on Earth do volcanoes interact with ice like they do in Iceland. When magma rises beneath a glacier, ice melts instantly. Pressure builds. Steam explodes. Some eruptions remain hidden, buried beneath hundreds of meters of ice. Over time, magma cools and builds steep-sided, flat-topped mountains, tuyas, silent